So I got the Craftsman in the shop tonight, and I got ambitious, put a nice line on it, and we deleted that thing. So I just put a bolt with a nut and that washer that comes with the other stupid thing. So the only thing I haven't wired up is this kill switch. There's no wires off the Craftsman to go to the key switch, but I'll work on that. I got my car battery, got my charger. Let's have a listen. The gas is a little old too, so. Alright, well I just finished work and I got Puppy with me. He had a long day. Okay, so we're gonna take a little ride. We're gonna take a little ride out to Warren to go pick up a Volkswagen Jetta diesel. Should be fun. We'll see you when we get there. So we decided to get on the subway diet like Jared. Alright, so we just picked up the Jetta. It's a newer model than I thought it was, so there might be some good parts on there. It looks pretty raggedy. What do you think, Dad?
Oh yeah, we'll fix it up. We'll have it on the road by tomorrow.
Not happening. Alright, got off work early today. Friday. Posted the video this morning for the rally race. It's not getting many views. I think the problem is I used the same picture by accident. So if you didn't check it out, go check it out. It says part 2. I changed the picture just now just to make sure. I'm just cutting out the CD player. I love it when they don't install them properly. It's wicked. One more wire in there. Oh, I think we got it. Oh shit. Come on, you can do it. Yeah, it's Pioneer deck. Probably a couple years old. 2009. Still, not too bad. It's got a plug-in, all good. Worth something to somebody, just not me. And the cover. It's fucking rainier as frig out. Jeez, what's going on, buddy? You need to slap around Mother Nature a little bit. Tell her to not be so PMS-y. Anyways, we got the car back there on the float. I drained the fuel out, but it looks pretty old. So by it being pretty old, I'm probably gonna throw it in a loader or something. It still smells like fuel. It doesn't look too discolored, but maybe it's just my nose. Maybe. Anyways, we are off to the scrapyard. I got a half hour. It's only like 6 minutes away, but anyways, I'm also picking up a frame, a Chevy frame. It's awesome. You just wait till I explain what's going on. All right, well, we just dropped off that car, and look, last time we had the little scrap contest, you guys screwed up big time. Like, I don't want to make fun of you guys or anything, but I know what you guys did. You guys counted the money that you saw, and that's not what happened. Oh my god. Oh my god, the price just went down. That's not good. Anyways, I'm gonna do this again. You guys gotta guess. You guys got to guess. All right. So don't go by what you see, okay? Don't go by what you see. Come on, focus. Help our friends here. Okay. 138 a ton. That's terrible. It was at 155 earlier. I don't know what happened. We don't have a total. There's a tuning where the total is. So 138 a ton. So take a guess, and that's not all the money because I just paid for these. So, and then, by the way, on the last contest, yeah, whoa. Okay, this is your contest winner decal. It's fairly big. And I will reveal who it's going to in the next clip. So usually what happens is I bring stuff to the scrapyard. This time I had to bring it from the scrapyard. That's right, I bought this back from the scrapyard. Well, the story on it is me and Eve picked up this truck and another truck at some guy's house. Well, he picked up this one on his own. We had to go pick up the other one because it was pretty fucked up and it was stuck in the ground. He needed all the help he can get. So we went and did that, and we heaved and hoed and had a hard time. The winch wasn't pulling it, whatever. Anyways, so Eve came into a point where he needed some money and decided to scrap both of them. The other truck had a 454 with a 5-speed, and we had planned on putting, you know, the 454 in here and building this truck just for, you know, playing around and shit. But anyways, it came to it where he decided he needed money, and it wasn't really mentioned that he was scrapping this particular vehicle. He just said he was scrapping a bunch of stuff, and this sucks. So when I found out, I had to go to the scrapyard and pay to get it back. I had to pay more than he got, which also sucks, but you know what? Once what I have planned for this thing is done, look at that. Friggin' monster tack. There's 100 bills right there. Jeez. Anyways, so I'm chucking this body. This body is going bye-bye. Well, first of all, they dropped it, pulling it out of... They put it in the scrap pile. And it was in pretty decent shape. I mean, you could have sold some parts off it pretty easy. But, yeah, it fell off the forks and broke a lot of shit. The roof looks pretty smashed. The window's smashed. And anyways, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to unbolt the box, unbolt the cab, and just so I can have a frame. Solid axle swaps. It's got a Dana 60 with the kingpins. These, for you guys that know about these, are worth big bucks. That's what guys use on their crawlers. 14 bolt rear. The centerpiece is missing. I think it's in the truck, if it's still in the truck. Something I gotta investigate. Oh. Yeah, it should still be in here. They fucked this thing up pretty good. Or no, it's not. This might not be good. For fuck's sakes. Anyways, might be in the box. I can't tell yet, but they flipped it on the side, so I don't know. Shit's getting rainy, so I'm getting out of this. Looks like today I'm hauling shit. That's right, we got shit back there, and we gotta dump it over here somewhere, and we gotta do a bunch of things and get ready for winterizations of stuff. Hopefully I'm not running things over. That would suck. I don't know, for those of you who have never seen a dump trailer, well, I guess today is your lucky day. Alright, these little bungees holding doors open. And that's poop there, boys. So this whole pile. So the cool thing is, there's not a whole lot you gotta do. You setup in here. Get your tank with all your fluid. Get your your pump, battery. You press the up button. Pressure gets built. There's a lot of poop in there, so it takes a little bit of horsepower. What I'd like to do is set up this cable to be long enough to put it in the truck, so you just go up and carry on. You don't ever have to get out, except open your tailgate. You know, you could lift up and drive away. This thing goes all the way up. Takes a little while, but hey, better than shoveling, right? The second cylinders, there's 3 of them. Poop's starting to come out. You can hear it. I can see it. Third cylinder is going to hit soon and it's going to fly. There. A little low on fluid maybe. And they're basically straight up there. Alright, put this down, put that back in there, get in the truck. Alright, and going down, it's pretty simple. It's just the button. Just hold it and it releases the pressure. Last time though, I think if you go too fast, some of that fluid pisses out of there. It's not the fastest, but it's better than a lot of stuff. It's better than shoveling. Beauty. Done. Now ready for another load. Kind of backed up over some poop there, and there's a freaking hive in there. They look like hornets or some shit. Not very big to be bees. Fucking weird. Right in horse poop. Must be because it's really nice and warm.